5:30 a.m. and it's Friday. Well, shut up and let me sleep. Are you kidding me? Again? Shut up and let me sleep. Oh, do you think it's funny? Well, it's not the third time. Now you shut up. This is your final warning. If you beep one more time, I swear to God I am going to tell Dad. Dad, my alarm clock is broken. It keeps beeping over and over and over again. Did you set that alarm that goes over and over and over again? No, I didn't do it. I was just too lazy making breakfast. Well, I'm gonna find who set that alarm. Oh, I really don't want him to know that I ordered 15 alarm clocks. I don't want him to get me in trouble. All right, alarm, I am going to sleep, and I swear to you, if you make a noise, I am going to destroy you. Who could be ordering at 5:30 a.m. on Friday? Uh, 15 alarm clocks? This is a nightmare trying to sleep in 15 alarm clocks. Dad, there were 15 alarm clocks in my room. Wait, how did you know that there were 15 alarm clocks? So, there was a doorbell, and then I checked the door, and I saw there were 15 alarm clocks. So I think that you did it. Oh, that's the doorbell. But if there's more alarm clocks, I don't know what to say anymore. How many alarm clocks are there? 1 million! Ah! Oh no, I am dead. Ah! Alright, that's it. I'm destroying all these alarm clocks. 999,999 more alarm clocks later. Woo, that was a lot of hard work. Now it's time to go to sleep. No, why? Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Perfect catch. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Overnull Productions.